Hello everyone, this is Mona Lisa once again, and here I am with Karigori Haat Self Video episode number 5. Today I am going to show you some exclusively beautiful sarees which include pure Bangladeshi muslin sarees, and I have pure Asian sequence weave sarees and some gorgeous matka muslin sarees as well. So let's begin. The first saree that I am going to show you today is a pure Bangladeshi muslin saree. This is a pure Bangladeshi muslin saree. As you can see, the texture will be transparent, somewhat like this. And the saree, this is the pallu. The saree has got weaves all over, and these weaves are completely hand woven designs. These are not machine work, but these are completely hand woven designs all over the saree. This is how the pallu would be. Take a look at the pallu portion. Completely hand woven design. So here's the pallu, and moving on to the body of the saree, some small motifs which are again hand woven are done all over the body. And there's this border running on either side of the saree. Okay, so this is how the rest of the saree would go. Okay, this saree does not have any BP, so you will have to wear a blouse piece on your own. You have to make a blouse, and this will be, if you wear it, this will be like this. Okay, the kuchi portion or the pleats portion, it is going to be the weave on top and on bottom as well. So this was our saree number 1, a beautiful royal blue color, pure Bangladeshi muslin saree. Pista colored saree, and the weaves, as you see, they are colorful weaves in pink, green, yellow, lovely colorful weaves done on either side of the saree, and there are also woven booties, multicolored booties all over the saree. So this will be the pallu, and moving on to the pleats portion, this is how the rest of the saree goes. Okay, you see the booties are running vertically on the saree, on the body of the saree. Okay, portion. Full, and the opposite side will tell you that these are all hand woven. These sarees will be transparent, as you can see. If I run my hand below the saree, beneath the saree, you can see the transparency level. So these sarees will be transparent. On your pleats portion, you will have the design at the bottom. Okay, pleats will cover the design all through. This saree also does not have a blouse piece. Basically these sarees, these pure Bangladeshi muslin sarees, muslin jamdani sarees, do not have any blouse piece. Okay, so this was our saree number 2, a lovely pista color, pure Bangladeshi muslin jamdani saree. This was also priced at 5450, and at today's episode, if you buy this saree from today's episode on sale, you are getting this saree at 4950 only. A very beautiful Rani pink color saree. This is the pallu portion. It's running on either side, and there are again colorful booties in white, blue, like that. Just as you see on the border also, there's white and blue, and this is not white exactly, this is some. Overall this color combination looks very pretty. It's a very pretty color. Lovely Rani color, deep pink, whatever you call it. And the rest of the saree will once again be like this. The booty is running vertically and the design, the weave will run throughout the bottom. So your pleats will cover the weaves. Okay, this is how the bottom portion of the saree would be. So once again I will give you a closer look at the design of the, just a moment. Once again for you all, a very pretty pink, deep pink, Rani pink you can say, and the weaves, they look just awesome. They are very beautiful. Okay, so this was our saree number 3. This also does not come with a blouse piece. Pure Bangladeshi muslin Jamdani saree. You are getting this saree at only 4950, and the shipping charges as usual will be extra. So please do take a screenshot and send me your location, and I can tell you the shipping charges that would be applicable. This is a light beige color, a very smart, this is a beautiful beige color saree. Here's a pallu, a very smart color, a very elegant color you can say, and with this weaves done on the saree, it adds a different mood. So take a look at the pallu. Look at the beautiful weaves done on the pallu. The way the different colors have been used on this beige. So this is the pallu and this is the body portion of the saree. Same like what it was in the previous sarees. The design is all over, and this is a pleats portion where you will get the design on the bottom. See the beautiful floral design you will get, and this would be your pallu. This would be your pallu, and this would be your body with a lovely Jamdani border on either side of the saree. The pleats portion. Saree number 4. Saree number 4, a pure Bangladeshi muslin saree, muslin Jamdani saree with weaves, hand weaves all over, in lovely beige color. This was priced at 5450, but on sale, if you buy from today's episode, it's on sale, and you will get the saree at 4950 only. This is a very pretty baby pink color. The body is baby pink, and once again the weaves are handmade, handcrafted. This is the pallu. Take a close pallu goes. Beautifully done. The design looks very smart, very pretty. And the saree undoubtedly a very elegant one. The booties are in beige and black, just as you see the border is, and it's just very beautiful, beautiful color. This is the body portion. Once again, this has got booties, vertical booties running all over the saree, and the design will come at the bottom near the pleats portion. So you see all over the pleats you will get the design at the bottom. Okay. So a very pretty color, a very sweet, soothing color, baby pink, pure Bangladeshi. Okay, so moving on to our next segment, which is pure Resham sarees, and we have small sequins woven all over the saree. I will show you. This is our saree number 6. This is a pure Resham saree, and you have lovely sequins woven on the saree. These are not fixed with any kind of gum, or like it will not come out in any way, because these are pocket sequins which are woven along with the saree. So no way are these sequins going to come out, no matter how long and how many times you wear this saree. So this is our saree number 6, a pure Resham saree in black, which has got lovely weaves. Once again, these weaves are all handmade, and this is how the pallu looks. And you will see these sequins woven on the saree. And since I have put my hand beneath the saree, you can understand the transparency level. And these beautiful multicolor weaves. See how pretty they are, and on black color they are just looking awesome. The golden weaves and the multicolor flowers, lovely floral weaves, and on the pallu and here on the body of the saree as well. A very pretty saree, very gorgeous black color, and these multicolor weaves, golden weaves and multicolor weaves on the saree are looking really very pretty. So here's our pallu, and this is the body. Moving on to our saree number 7. This is also a pure Resham saree with sequins woven on it. Just as I have showed you the previous one, which was in black, this is in gorgeous red. Once again, this is a very gorgeous color, red, as we all know, and the lovely jamdani done on it, the golden jamdani work, the sequins woven on the saree. All these are making the saree, all these are giving the saree a very gorgeous look. Just take a look. Take a close look at the pallu, the design on the pallu. Okay, the sequins, just as I have mentioned on my previous saree also, they are woven along with the saree, so it won't tend to come out in any way. So the multicolor flowers, once again on red the style, and the sequins, as you will see, the sequins are woven horizontally on the pallu. This is how the body of the saree would be. Okay, a very gorgeous red color saree, and the multicolor flowers, the golden weaves, the golden sequins, they are all adding to the glamour of the saree. This is the body portion. Till here you will get the jamdani work. After that, it's sequins woven, which will add a hint of glitter to the saree. Beautiful, gorgeous red color saree. Jamdani work done, and hand work, of course, and sequins woven on the saree. Okay, so sari number 6 and sari number 7, those two were pure resham saris with sequins woven all over and Jamdani work done on it. These saris were priced at 3950, but if you purchase from today's episode, these two saris you are getting at 3750 only. Moving on to our next segment, which is Matka Muslin Jamdani saris. Okay, once again the Jamdani work is done by hand, and these saris, the half portion of the sari is muslin and half portion of the sari is matka. Just as you can see the sari that I am wearing, this sari, the pallu portion is muslin and these small golden booties that you can see on the sari, these are Jamdani work done by hand, and the rest of the sari, that is the other half of the sari, is matka. The material is matka. Okay, so you can see the muslin has ended here where the half of the sari is. This is a very beautiful green color, a very what can I say, this is somewhat bottle green and teal mixed. This is nowhere in the darker side but a very bright green. I hope you are able to follow the color. So this is the muslin portion. As you can see, it's pretty much the same sari, the same design like what I'm wearing. This is the pallu. You can see the lovely contrast piping which is highlighted. This gives a very pretty look to the sari. The base color is very beautiful, very pretty. It's a very pretty green, and this fuchsia pink border, it gives a very beautiful. So this is how the pallu would be. The green color is like this. I cannot describe the exact shade, but I matka portion. Till here is the sari, and here you have the blouse piece. Okay. The blouse piece also has this fuchsia pink border, contrasted and highlighted. Okay. So this was our sari number 8, a beautiful green color sari with a contrast pink color fuchsia pink. Sari number 9. This is also a matka muslin sari, which means half of the sari is matka and half of the sari is muslin. This is again in a green shade. This is the pallu of the sari. This is green contrasted with lovely purple color. You see the color contrast has been done very beautifully. The sari looks very gorgeous, very beautiful, and the hands woven on the sari. These are in the, as you can see, the half of the sari is in muslin, which is covering your pallu portion, and it will go the same way in which my sari is going. You can take a look. This portion will be full muslin and it will come up to here, and from here the rest of the sari is in matka. Okay. So the saris that I am showing you, the matka muslin saris that I am showing you, the pattern of those saris will also be the same. That is, the length of the muslin will be like what you saw in my sari, and the rest of it will be matka. Sorry, that is my pallu. This is the pallu. Lovely silver stripes done on the pallu. The muslin portion will be transparent, but the matka portion won't be transparent. So here is the rest of the sari. This is a lovely purple color, violet color rather, the matka portion, and it's somewhat the same matka color which I am wearing. So if you add this green color in contrast with this color, it will look really very beautiful, really very beautiful. Okay, the price of the sari was for 3950, but if you buy from today's episode, it is discounted. Its discounted price is at 3650 only. Next one, sari number 8 and 9 I have showed you. This is sari number 10. Number 10. Now this is a very lovely color combination. The matka portion, the muslin portion, the pallu portion is in black. The weaves are in golden. Okay, and this is how the pallu would be. Okay, and this is how the pallu would be. Some beautiful stripes done on the pallu and a lovely golden design weaved on the sari. The weaves that I have showed you today, the weaves on the sari, they are all handmade. Okay, so in lovely shade of green. And the price of the sari was for 3950, but if you buy from today's episode, the price of the sari will be 3650 only. Shipping charges extra. Number 11. This is also a very pretty, very beautiful combination. Just look at the woven color combination in the matka muslins that I am showing you today. This is the pallu. Once again in stripes, and on the sari. Okay, and look at the yellow color. This is a very bright color, sort of sunny yellow color. So this is going to add a very bright look to the sari. Okay, so this is the muslin portion. Sari is done. No, these are water droplets. Okay, the shape is golden zari weaved, of course hand weaved, in a dual tone actually, in yellow, the same yellow as you see in the muslin, and peach color. Okay, this is a dual shade, the matka. Okay, as you can see, this is a dual shade of yellow and peach. So the matka portion, as I have already mentioned, would cover your pleats portion and the other half of the sari. Matka muslin sari, half matka and half muslin sari, which was priced at 3950, and if you purchase from today's episode, the discounted price would be 3650. This is the muslin portion or the pallu portion. This is aqua blue. The color of the blue is aqua blue. This is the pallu. As they are in circle shape, we call them point booties and woven in silver thread. These are the silver color booties. And this is a white color muslin pallu combined with a lovely aqua color matka portion. The pleats portion or the matka portion would be in lovely aqua shade. The same color as matka, which is aqua blue. See this, if I just put it here, you will be able to understand. I will just heat it up a bit. This will help you to understand how the sari would look when you treat it. So this portion I will heat it and put it here, and this would be the pallu portion. So it would be like this basically. And definitely if you wear this aqua color blouse with it, the blouse piece which is attached to the sari, if you wear aqua color blouse and this bit of aqua at the end of the pallu and the aqua matka combined with the aqua blouse would give the sari a very elegant, a very sophisticated. This is the pallu portion. This is a mustard yellow color and the pallu is in black. The muslin portion is in black. Lovely golden booties, point booties in golden woven on the sari. The pallu, as you can understand from all these saris, would be transparent, of course, same like what I am wearing. That would be the transparency level. This is the pallu and this is the pleats portion or the matka portion. The half of the sari was black muslin and this is the BP in black. Okay, so this is a very smart combination, color combination I would say. If you wear this will add a different look altogether. A very smart color combination. 14, right? Okay. Sari number 14. This is a very pretty green color. Believe me, this is what I would say, this is not sea green, but some kind of green. I cannot mention the exact color shade, but all I can tell you is that this is a very pretty green color, very pretty. So a very beautiful green color. The muslin portion is a very beautiful green color and this is the pallu in white matka. Okay. Once again, the golden point booties on the sari. All over the muslin portion you can find these booties. And contrasted with white color matka. This combination would actually look very sophisticated. See, this is the matka portion where you would be giving the pleats, and this is in white, pure white. So I will give you a brief idea about how the sari would look actually when you drape it. So here we will be doing the pleats and the muslin portion, the pallu will go like this. Okay. So this is giving a very beautiful look to the sari, a very smart, very sophisticated look. This is a very beautiful green shade combined with pure white shade matka. Once again, the price is 3650. This is a discounted price. These sarees were priced at 3950. But if you purchase from today's episode, the special discounted price would be 3650 only. Shipping charges extra. Please share the screenshot in my WhatsApp number, which will be given in the description of the video, so that I can understand the saree that you want to book. If you share the saree number, that is also okay, but a screenshot is definitely preferred. Now, next is our saree number 15. So the previous matka muslins that we have seen, the booties were woven in golden or silver thread. Now this one, this particular saree, the weaving is done in colorful threads. The material is same, but the weave is done in using thread. This is a multicolor weaving done on the saree. This muslin portion base color is black, on which the weaves are done. Look at the green shade, it's so beautiful. This green shade is a very beautiful shade of green, as you can see. And you have these golden stripes like this. And the other half, which is a beautiful green shade, as you can see, it's a lovely shade of green. See? This is how your pallu would be. The muslin portion, which is in black, and combined with a reddish maroon shade. Okay. This is the other half of the saree. So black and reddish maroon combination saree. They are very beautifully done all over the muslin portion. These are all hand weaves and very beautiful. So this was our saree number 16, which was initially priced at 3950, and in today's episode the discounted price would be 3650, shipping charges extra. 17. This particular shade, the base color is a shade of green. Okay, the muslin portion. Once again, the striped silver pallu and the beautiful weavings on the saree, as you can see. This is how the muslin part would look. The pallu portion, the upper half of the saree, and then the other half of the saree, or the pleats portion, which is a lovely silver color, then shade of silver. And the muslin portion, this is not black, okay, this is a deep green, or you can call this olive green, I think. Olive handle. So this saree also was priced at 3950, and in today's episode, if you purchase from today's episode, you are getting this at a discounted price of 3650 only. Now our last saree, saree number 18. Now this one, the muslin portion is black. Okay. See, this is the pallu. This green and orange together is looking very beautiful. The combination is looking very beautiful. The green and orange. This is a teal green shade. As you can see, with the branches in orange, and the base color of the muslin portion is in black. And this is the transparency level of the saree. The stripes, as usual, would be there. And here's the body portion, the upper half of the saree, where the weaves would be on your body, and this is the other half, which is in teal green shade. This is how the pallu would be. Base is black, combined with teal color flowers and teal color stripes, and the other half of the saree is teal color as well. So this was our last sari, or sari number 18, priced at 3950, and in today's episode the discounted price would be 3650 only. Shipping charges extra. So friends, please do share a screenshot of any of the sari that you would like to book and send it to me via WhatsApp. So that's it for our episode today. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can watch many more such videos in future, and I will be coming up with more sarees in future. There will be sale on very gorgeous and very beautiful sarees. There will be puja collection, new arrivals. So everybody, please do stay tuned. Until next time, see you all. Bye.